12 best foods that prevent and improve kidney damage. Our kidneys, those small bean-shaped organs located on either side of our lower back, play a vital role in maintaining our overall health. They act as the body's natural filtration system, removing waste and excess fluids from the blood to create urine. In addition, they help to regulate blood pressure, balance electrolytes, and produce essential hormones. However, kidneys can become susceptible to damage due to various factors, including a poor diet, certain medications, and underlying medical conditions. The good news is that there are foods that can help prevent and even improve kidney damage. In this video, we'll explore the 12 best foods that can safeguard your kidneys and potentially aid in their healing process. 1. Cauliflower, a kidney-friendly vegetable. Cauliflower is a versatile vegetable that can be used in various dishes. It's low in potassium, making it an excellent choice for those with kidney issues. Additionally, it provides plenty of vitamin C and fiber while being low in sodium and phosphorus. This combination makes cauliflower a kidney-friendly vegetable that can be included in your diet with confidence. 2. Red bell peppers, rich in vitamin C. Red bell peppers are not only a colorful addition to your meals, but also a fantastic source of vitamin C. This nutrient is crucial for kidney health as it helps improve the glomerular filtration rate, GFR, and may reduce the risk of kidney disease progression. You can enjoy red bell peppers in salads, stir-fries, or as crunchy snacks with hummus. While we carry on, please consider subscribing to our channel if you found this video to be informative and beneficial. Thank you. 3. Fish, omega-3, fatty acids for kidney protection. Fatty fish like salmon, mackerel, and sardines are rich in omega-3 fatty acids, which have anti-inflammatory properties and may help reduce the risk of kidney disease. Omega-3s can also lower blood pressure and improve cholesterol levels, further safeguarding your kidneys. Aim to incorporate fish into your diet at least twice a week to reap the benefits. 4. Garlic, flavorful kidney protector. Garlic is not just a flavorful addition to your dishes. It is also an ally for your kidneys. It contains compounds like allicin and selenium, which have antioxidant and anti-inflammatory effects. Garlic can help improve kidney function and reduce inflammation in the body. Try adding fresh garlic to your cooking or opt for garlic supplements if you're not a fan of the taste. 5. Blueberries, nature's antioxidant powerhouses. Blueberries are known for their vibrant color and delightful taste, but they offer much more than just sweetness. These tiny berries are packed with antioxidants, particularly anthocyanins, which can help reduce inflammation and oxidative stress in the body. Inflammation and oxidative stress are major contributors to kidney damage. Including blueberries in your diet can be a delicious way to support your kidney health. 6. Berries, kidney-boosting superfoods. Strawberries, raspberries, and cranberries are other berries that can benefit your kidney health. They are packed with antioxidants and fiber, helping to reduce inflammation and protect against kidney damage. The high water content in berries also contributes to your overall hydration, a crucial aspect of kidney health. 7. Onions, kidney-preserving flavors. Onions not only add flavor to your meals, but also offer potential kidney protective benefits. They are low in potassium and can be a valuable addition to your diet. Onions contain antioxidants and flavonoids, which may help reduce inflammation and oxidative stress in your body, contributing to better kidney health. 8. Olive oil, heart-healthy and kidney-friendly. Olive oil is renowned for its heart-healthy properties, but it also supports kidney health. It's an excellent source of healthy monounsaturated fats and contains anti-inflammatory compounds. Incorporating olive oil into your cooking can be a tasty way to improve kidney function and reduce the risk of kidney disease. 9. Apples, a snack with kidney benefits. The old saying, "An apple a day keeps the doctor away," holds true for kidney health too. Apples are a good source of fiber and vitamin C, and their antioxidant properties can help protect the kidneys from damage. They also make for a convenient and healthy snack option. 10. Egg whites. High-quality protein. When it comes to protein sources, egg whites are a kidney-friendly option. They provide high-quality protein without the phosphorus and potassium found in the yolk. Including egg whites in your diet can help meet your protein needs without overloading your kidneys with unnecessary minerals. 11. Cabbage. Low-potassium leafy greens. Cabbage is a low-potassium leafy green vegetable that can be included in a kidney-friendly diet. It's rich in vitamin K and fiber while being low in potassium. This makes cabbage an excellent choice for maintaining kidney health without compromising on taste and nutrition. 12. Water, the ultimate kidney elixir. While not a food, water is arguably the most critical element for kidney health. Staying well hydrated is essential for proper kidney function. Water helps flush out toxins and waste products from your body, reducing the risk of kidney stones and other kidney-related issues. Aim to drink an adequate amount of water daily to keep your kidneys functioning optimally. Your kidneys are invaluable to your overall health, and taking care of them should be a priority. A diet rich in the 12 foods mentioned above can go a long way in preventing kidney damage and, in some cases, even aiding in the reversal of kidney issues. Remember that while these foods can be beneficial, it's essential to maintain a well-balanced diet, limit the intake of processed foods, and consult with a healthcare professional for personalized guidance on your kidney health journey. By making conscious choices and incorporating these kidney-protective foods into your diet, you can take proactive steps towards ensuring your kidneys continue to serve you well for years to come. So, next time you sit down to a meal, consider not only the taste but also the impact it can have on your kidneys' well-being. A friendly reminder, this video is intended for educational purposes only. If you have health concerns, always consult your healthcare provider. If you found this information helpful, give the video a thumbs up and consider sharing it with your loved ones to spread awareness of kidney health. For ongoing insights into health and well-being, subscribe to our channel and hit the notification bell to stay updated with our latest content. To delve deeper into natural healing and illness prevention, explore additional informative videos popping up on your screen. Feel free to click on any of them or, even better, watch both to continue your knowledge journey.